Have you ever wondered how to make designs based off your brand? Well, Creative Assistant in Mailchimp has got your back. But first, let me introduce myself. Hello everyone, my name is Brianna Barahona and I'm a digital marketing lead at Greyson Enterprises. As a digital marketer, I understand the importance of effective audience management and segmentation for successful email campaigns. So let's dive in and learn how to use Creative Assistant in Mailchimp. Creative Assistant is a tool that gets familiar with your brand and then creates designs instantly, helping you get more attention and traffic. So let's get right into how to use Creative Assistant. After you logged into your account, you're going to want to click on Content. Then click on Creative Assistant. Afterwards, you're going to want to click on Create New Designs. Here, you can set what's your goal for this campaign design. You have advertise, educate and inform, sell products, sign up, announce, attend an event, sell services, or others. Based on what your goal is, you can click any of these. Our brand goal will be to announce a campaign, so we're going to click on Announce. After you selected what your campaign goal is, click on Next. Now you can update your text. Here, you could generate custom designs based on your heading and subheading. You can also include button text, but you can always edit it later on. So our campaign goal will be based on a branding shoot that we recently released as a service. After you filled in your information, you're going to want to click on Next. Here you have the option to choose your imagery. You can add up to 4 images and also suggest and smart photos, which are sample photos that Mailchimp gives you. Whether you use sample photos or upload your own photos, you're going to want to click on Generate Designs. They give you sample designs to choose from, and you also have the option to change channel size based on what you want. And if you want more designs, simply click on More Designs. But don't worry, you can always edit this to become more personal to your brand. For example, you could click on here, Edit Design. Here you can edit heading, colors, images, logo, and CTA button. So I'm going to change around this design to make it more aligned to our brand. Once you're done, click on Select Sizes. Now you can select any of the available sizes on the left menu. However, you won't be able to unlock all your designs unless you have a standard plan, which gives you access to custom channel sizes such as LinkedIn and YouTube. Once you selected your size, click on Save to Design Library. Go ahead and name the title of your design. Now you have a design saved. However, let's say you want to change the brand kit. You have the option to update your designs, your colors, fonts, logos, brand personality, and button styles to however you'd like. Now, if you want to incorporate your design into one of your emails, simply click on Create in the top left corner. Click on Design Email. Then click on Design Email under Content section. Now you're going to select a template. But for our scenario, we're going to select Make an Announcement. After you click on an image, simply click on Creative Assistant. Then click on Design Library and insert your last one. Click on the 3 buttons and click Insert. Now you finally have Creative Assistant on your email campaigns to use. Now that you finally learned how to use Creative Assistant, take the time to customize your emails and design them to what your brand is aligned to. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share this among your friends and colleagues.